Originally, I wanted to write this book because I was just annoyed. I'd been speaking at conferences all over the world about baby boomers. And it was around that moment in time where the media latched onto the millennials and started to just tear them apart and talk about how the millennials were ruining everything and this industry was dying because of millennials and millennials all liked this and millennials all liked that. It was just this light bulb that went on, a cartoon light bulb over my head. It was like, wait a minute, we're all the same. These are the same people. So I called the research team that I've been working with on the Boomer book and said, I had this hunch that all of this generational fighting that the media is trying to promote is nonsense. And what can we do to prove that? I think this might be the next book. It's very much my book, but it's kind of like going to see a counselor. It was like having somebody just say, so how is your relationship with your mother? You know, those classic sorts of things that somebody from the outside can look at and go, I think you should be thinking about this a little bit. And what if you reframe that part this way? It's not a line item on the scope of work when you sign up with Scribe to work with them, that you're going to get therapy out of this, but you do. The stuff that's happened since that book hit has been incredible. Zach and his team, we worked together on the launch process. So the media started to come, bang, 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 bang. Stuff was going out there. My favorite thing that's happened is that the size of the companies who are talking to me that seemed in the past to be kind of impenetrable fortresses, they're now opening their doors and reaching out and going, David, come on in here. We want to talk to you. That's amazing. Within the course of a year, my business will have taken off to a place that I could never have imagined. I now belong to an entirely different level of advisor and consultant and aspect of the business world that I didn't before. Any sense of myself trying to live up to expectations is gone. I know I live up to expectations. I can walk into any boardroom in the world right now and know that I can add value. And the point of entry, what's made me belong there, is that I've got this book. Whoever's watching this video, if the reason you're watching this is wondering whether you should be working with Scribe or not, do it. Just call these guys and sign up. Like, just trust me, just do it.
Great, you're all done.